Have you ever stood in front of the seafood section at the store, looking at all the different shrimp options and wondered which one is actually the safest to eat? With labels like farm-raised, wild-caught, organic, frozen, or fresh, it can feel a little overwhelming. Shrimp may be small, but choosing the right kind can make a big difference for your health, for the environment, and even for the taste on your plate. So, what is the safest shrimp to eat? The answer depends on where it comes from, how it's raised, and how carefully it's handled before it reaches your kitchen. Let's start with wild-caught shrimp. These are shrimp that come directly from the ocean, usually caught with nets or traps. Many people believe wild shrimp are safer and healthier because they grow in their natural environment without antibiotics or chemicals. In terms of flavor, wild-caught shrimp often taste sweeter and more distinct. However, the safety of wild shrimp also depends on the waters they come from. If they're caught in polluted areas, they may carry toxins or heavy metals. That's why shrimp from regions with strict environmental regulations, like the United States or Canada, are often considered some of the safest choices. Then we have farm-raised shrimp, which actually makes up the majority of shrimp eaten around the world today. Farming can provide a consistent supply, but not all farms operate the same way. In some countries, shrimp farms have been criticized for using antibiotics, overcrowded ponds, or unsustainable practices. On the flip side, there are many responsible farms that follow international standards, making their shrimp just as safe, if not safer, than wild-caught. The key is looking for certifications such as ASC or Best Aquaculture Practices, which show the shrimp was raised under strict health and safety rules. Another factor to consider is freshness and handling. Even the best shrimp can become unsafe if it's not stored properly. That's why frozen shrimp is often a safer bet than so-called fresh shrimp at the counter, because it's usually frozen right after being harvested to lock in quality. Reading labels and buying from trusted brands or local suppliers can give you peace of mind that you're getting a safe product. So, what's the safest shrimp to eat? Generally, wild-caught shrimp from clean, well-regulated waters or responsibly farmed shrimp with proper certifications are the top choices. They give you all the flavor and nutrition without the added risks. At the end of the day, the safest shrimp is the one that comes from a trustworthy source and is prepared with care in your kitchen. That way, you can enjoy every bite knowing you've made a smart and safe choice.